Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.